There are two basic ways an image can be represented. Raster images, which are created with dots or pixels as might be seen in a photograph, or vector images, which are created with nodes and connecting lines as might be the case with a line drawing or scaled vector graphic. Some examples of raster files are JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and some PDF files. Examples of vector files are AI, SVG, EPS, and special PDF files. A cutter requires vector-based artwork to be able to cut, but VinylMaster is able to process both raster and vector files to allow for both printing and cutting options. To demonstrate this, we will open the same basic design in a number of formats to see how they compare to each other. First, we will open an AI file, which was created with Adobe Illustrator, and we will place it on the design area. Next, we will open an EPS file, which stands for Enhanced PostScript, which is another vector-based file. Our third file will be a JPEG, which in this example is a raster file with a white background. As we place this file, we can already see that it is different in that the white background covers other objects on the page. Previously, we mentioned the PDF file format in both the raster and vector categories. This is because the PDF format allows for both types of files, but typically not on the same page of the document. We will place the PDF raster and PDF vector files side by side so you can compare them. If we were to zoom in on the raster PDF, we would see that it eventually turns into dots, whereas the vector PDF file can be resized with no loss of detail even if we zoom in a great deal. The PNG file format is another raster file format, but unlike JPEG, the PNG file format allows saving a design with a transparent background. The last file we will add to the page is an SVG, or Scaled Vector Graphic. Here we can see that the colors are different than any of the other cases, which can be varied depending on the software program that created the original file. In the lower right-hand corner of the screen, we can click on the middle of the three small icons to reveal the color wireframe mode to show us exactly what the cutter will cut for each of these files. Here we see that although the files look similar when placed in the design area, their underlying cut lines can vary significantly. You should always check your design with the wireframe mode to be sure that you know exactly what kind of result you will get when you send it to the cutter.